In this chart, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in a green color candle, red color candle. Previous day, yesterday after 12:45, a sell call started. Can you see that red color candle? That selling momentum ended up breakout both the target. Market was in continuous downside direction only. And today it's a Friday market we are watching. In 1 minute of market open, buy call generated, green color candle open. Like this, automatically it will analyze the candle movement. Whenever the candle breakout happen, if a candle breakout happen, immediately it will give the call like a signal. Right now it's a buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. And as you can see, you will get the entry point, target and stop loss. Through these entries, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. For plan detail, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. On daily basis, we are analyzing in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Right now you are watching Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. At the end of the video, we will show option chart also. In Bank Nifty future, in 1 minute of market open, 9:16 AM, buy call came at buy at 50,570. That straight white line from green candle. That is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. First target is 50,696. It's a 125 point first target. Within 30 minutes of buy call generated, it successfully break out the first target range at 9:40 AM. And market was going in a continuous upper side momentum and going to break out the second target range. Meanwhile, let's take a look at option chart also. We are watching Bank Nifty weekly expiry at the money option 50,500 call option. In this option chart, the buy call came at 401 and market at the time of first target it break out 450, currently trading above 500 range. Like this, you can change script in this chart. If you want to watch a crude oil, if you want to watch a Reliance, you can watch in this chart. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Every day you are doing intraday trading. If you want a supporting tool like where to take entry, target, if you have confusion to take the entry, this chart will help you in live market by providing whenever the breakout happen, it will immediately give the call like a signal. Through this call signal, you can do the trades. If you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.